You got the cap on, man.
There
You
we
got
go.
the cap on, bud.
That looks better.
There we go. This is just check time.
Oh, this isn't gonna be on then.
No.
This is for your own viewing pleasure.
Yeah, this is our own
And fuck
viewing
it up.
pleasure. What do you got to say about Hastings Drumline, Sarge?
We're awes.
Tight ass.
Yeah.
I think it's cold out.
Yeah.
Found it. Sub up is on the projection.
Guys, come on!
Hopefully don't
Ready!
understand.
Run! We are great. Go Tigers! Field course!
You know why?
Ready! Ready! Wait! Go! Go! Right now, let's do it! To the right! Ready! Ready!
Documentary of the home game or something?
Yeah. What do you think of Hastings High Band?
That's great. Faces High Band kicks ass.
All right.
All out-state Nebraska bands bow down to us, and some in-state Nebraska bands. Kicks ass.
Do we have any scholarly cheering words from our team captains?
We're Tigers! We're Tigers. We're the Tigers! We're gonna win! We're gonna beat Austin! Go Hastings! Go Tigers!
Scott Clevenger. Hey, Scott. Scott, oh, where's... Over here, Scott. Over here, Scott. Is Scott deaf? This is the Secret Saxophone Society, ladies and gentlemen.
We're exposed! We're exposed! We're exposed! We're
Man.
What?
All right, now eat some popcorn.
Stop made by Finkner brings up second down. 2 yards to go. Congratulations to our Hastings tennis team and their coach and their fine season.
Neil, what do you got to say about Drumline?
All right. Red Rose, ready?
HHS Tigerettes are senior Stacy Hartman.
You guys play, I don't have...
Tiffany Coleman. Junior Erica Duval. Camp Schneider. Senior Melissa Nelson. Senior Destiny Heil. Junior Kylie Klein. Senior Morris Virgin. Senior Tara Wallen. Junior Anita Reed. parents
All right,
being
Mr. D.
escorted onto the field by the Hastings High cheerleaders. Queen candidate Tara Wallen is being escorted by Jason Meyer. Jason is escorting for King candidate Tyson Butler. Following the couple are the candidates' parents, Bill and Diane Wallen, and Larry and Bushy Butler. Queen candidate Felicia Harper is being escorted by Bryce Towns. Bryce is escorting for King candidate Eric Moore. Following the couple are the candidates' parents, Roger and Arlene Harper, and Jack and Ruth Moore. Queen candidate Christine Sondag is being escorted by King candidate Galen Conant. Following the couple are the candidates' parents, Bob and Susan Sondag, and Ray and Luann Conant. Queen candidate Suzanne Von Drack is being escorted by Josh Hayes. Escorting for King candidate David Dunsey. The couple are the candidates' parents, Nick and Gretchen Von Drack, and Gail and Marilyn Dunsey. Queen candidate Megan Foote is being escorted by Mike Simmons. Mike is escorting for King candidate Todd Tackwell. Following the couple are the candidates' parents, Terrence and Janelle Foote, and Bill and Dolores Tackwell.
Hey, Halsey, where'd Wyckoff go? Where'd Wyckoff go?
Queen candidate Christine Kaiser is being escorted. Following the couple are the candidates' parents, Jim and Lynn Kaiser, and Larry and Mary Moncrief. Following the candidates and their parents are last year's royalty, 1991 King,
There's
Jason
Tyler Wyckoff. Jay,
1991
where you
Queen,
been?
Nicole Coffey.
Of course I do. I'm sorry.
Last year's Prince, Doug Brandt, and Maid of Honor, Kelly Kehoe.
I ain't never going out
Congratulations to all the candidates for 1992. Remember, the King and Queen will be crowned at 11:30 p.m. at the high school in the South Gym.
TV, guys.
Petrov, what do you got to say?
We're awesome this year. Lincoln High is going down, and we're going to have fun tonight.
Homecoming 1992, baby.
Good to see you. It's nice to see you coming back. Giving up your reign.
Get over here, Dave. We're behind camera here. Columbia. Where was this for? It's running. This is homecoming.
Hi, Dave. Hi, Chris.
This is homecoming, and it is hyped up. Spent a lot of money for these kids. Sure, these women, lovely women had too. We have everyone here had too. So I hope to have the best leaping time in this next 2 hours. 3. I can't speak. It's cold out. Won! Yes, they won! When was the last time homecoming was won? 1969. 1969, about over 20 years ago. 20 years ago. And it's the first time I played football for the team. 3 years. And the 4th year, I don't play. And we win.
him. He's there. This is my catcher. He doesn't go to school.
I don't even belong here.
And this is Ben Roberts here. And he's just a total.
I know.
Normally, I would have a light on, but if I had a light on, I'd get beat up by a whole bunch of annoying people, so I probably won't do that. Let's like walk around and see what this dark homecoming is.
Where's your date?
My date? Okay, everybody on Channel 29, I'd like to know that I am dating the machine you are looking at right now. I'm dating electronics. Thank you very much. Hi, Steve. Hi, Sandy. As you can see, it's very dangerous to wander with the camera. Woo! Brown, how you say? What you guys got to say about homecoming 1992?
Totally sweet. It's awesome, man.
All right. All right, see. All right, there you go. And we got Scott Suits there. How you doing, Scott Suits? Hi. Now we're walking back into where there's some more light. Hey, there's Chris Long. How you doing, Chris?
Hey, how you doing, Soul?
All right, what do you say about homecoming 1992?
Best year in the world.
All right. Raleigh White. This is Raleigh White's tail. How you doing, Raleigh? All right. What do you say? What do you got to say about the football game?
Oh yes.
Choice words. Why are you sitting?
The 1991 Maid of Honor, Kelly Kehoe, is being escorted to the stage by 1991 Prince Consort, Doug Grant. And now the 1992 royalty candidates. Tara Wallen is being escorted to the stage by Tyson Butler. Christine Sondheim is being escorted to the stage by David Tony. David Benson. Megan Hood is being escorted by Todd Tucker. Chris Patton is now being led to the stage by Darren Monahan. The 1991 Prince Consort, Doug Grant, will now pass.
Gaylord!
The 1991 King, Jason Conant, will now attack the 1992 King. King and Queen will take their place on the throne. The Prince Consort and Maid of Honor will then stand next to the King and Queen. The other couples will take their places beside the Maid of Honor and the Prince Consort. Congratulations to the Hastings High School 1992 Royale.
Okay, I gotta record and just haul around. Okay, just lay there. Have your left arm hanging out. Yeah, there it is. See now.
You want to come out further? We'll go down more.
That's good.
Just have to show him a little crack.
Dude, his head. It's taping. Lay down, it's taping. Did. Oh. Alright, we're rolling. Alright. Go. Just go up and then look around and. All right. Okay. All right, and go.
Sir? Sir, do you want to try these on? Okay, so you have it against. Yeah.
So you have like one hand draw.
Okay, watch that. Okay. Hello. You ready?
Don't look like you're retarded. Look like you're dead.
Okay, just lay there and just act dead.
Just